Welcome to Let's Talk Travel. And we need to talk about travel because we're getting on a plane.
Where are we going, Lindsay?
We're going to Mexico and
Chicago!
what a combo!
So excited, so random.
There! You can totally see this, I know.
The good thing about this trip is that we get a city for a few days and we get to explore the culture and just walk
history,
around.
yeah.
Yeah, the hustle and bustle and do a lot of eating. And then we're gonna fly down to the beaches for a few days.
But the thing is, before you go on a trip, you need to pack. So today we're gonna give you our best packing travel hacks and tips and what you need to bring on a trip. So welcome to our closet.
Come pack with us.
So this is called Packing with Lindsay. I hate to pack.
Hey, okay, so we're here now in my room. I'm gonna show you my prep and pack routine for Mexico. I am so excited. My routine might look a little bit different than Lindsay's.
So this is kind of how it all starts. It's a bit of a nightmare, but number one thing you need when you are going on any trip, your passport. Do not leave home without this because you'll be sad.
I bring a variety of dresses to suit every occasion.
You definitely are gonna need a backpack. So this is my little bad boy. It has a handy dandy Canadian luggage tag so people know I'm Canadian. And also, if I lose my luggage, they know how to get it back to me. So make sure you have one of those.
We are here in a mound of stuff. So I don't know if I'm gonna bring all of these things. I just like to give myself options for clothes. So I have a few different varieties of dresses for going out in, some longer ones and shorter ones depending on how fancy we are going. Have a couple like cute tops for the beach, just like florals, everything colorful because Mexico is a colorful country.
And my favorite thing about packing, if there is one favorite thing, are packing cubes. So these are super duper handy when you're traveling because you know exactly what is in them.
I've got my handy dandy water bottle that I try to bring every time I travel so I'm traveling more environmentally conscious. I also have the water tablets for the water just in case I don't want to get sick. I got a really cute two-piece like orange outfit that I haven't worn yet. I'm very excited about. I got a little clutch that I'll bring for going out at night. I got my Sunbum sunscreen, which is made without parabens. It's, you know, a bit more natural.
And I tend to burn, so I'm being prepared and bringing aloe because I already have it. All of these little thingies need to go in your checked bag. You can't bring them on to your carry-on. I got my hairspray. I got my dry shampoo because as a blonde, you need dry shampoo. I like to do 2 separate toiletry bags when I travel. Basically, I try to stay as organized as possible when I travel. So normally I dedicate one to more like makeup, deodorant, things that I don't necessarily need when I'm going into a shower. And then the other one is more of that shower stuff. So shampoo, if I'm bringing a loofah. I have a variety of hats. I'm gonna bring this Toronto Blue Jays one.
Then I have the good old fedora. So, I mean, I think that's kind of cute. I'm probably gonna bring that.
Bathing suits, which, I mean, we're going to Mexico, so I think I have like 12 of them that I wanted to bring. So good luck for me.
I mean, we're gonna be at the beach for 4 days, so I'll probably bring 4 separate bathing suits. Call me extra, but I don't care. Yay!
Shoes. You always need multiple shoes when you're going on a trip. With Mexico, we're gonna do some flippity floppities, and then we're gonna do just some good old-fashioned runners. Something comfortable for walking and sightseeing, something for the beach, but also I could wear those out to a nice restaurant or a dance party when we're going salsa-ing. So multi-purpose. Be smart about how you're packing and then your back's not gonna break. Of course, you're gonna need your little toiletries, your toothbrush, your toothpaste, hair, makeup, all that jazz that you wanna bring on your trip. It's totally up to you.
I don't usually overpack. I'm actually pretty good. I try to be prepared, but also aware of how much I'm bringing, and I also know I'm gonna shop, so I try not to bring too many clothes because then I won't have any room for when I come home. And yeah, I'm just really excited. We'll see you in Mexico. Ciao!